Hi everyone, Lisa Haven here, and I've got an important report that I wanted to share with you guys, and this one specifically in regards to some things that are questionable that are happening there at Yellowstone. Now, I've got two reports that I want to show you, and I think we really need to pay attention to these, but before I do, I wanted to state that biblically speaking, Bible prophecy does talk about an increase in volcanoes and tsunamis and earthquakes in the latter days, and I do believe this is part of that increase and those birth pangs. Now, let me take you straight to the source so you can see it for yourself. On the screen here, you'll see the Economic Collapse blog written by Michael Schneider, and a report just put out, and it's titled, Magma Under the Yellowstone Supervolcano is Rising, and scientists are warning that eruption would devastate the entire planet. Now, here's another one, and this one's on express.co.uk. Yellowstone volcano danger. Scientists are closely watching a 465-mile-long rising magma. Now, this report was published Sunday, January 13th of 2019. And it goes on to state, scientists are closely monitoring a 465-mile-long piece of molten rock rising below the Yellowstone caldera, a bombshell documentary has revealed. It goes on, the supervolcano located in Yellowstone National Park has erupted 3 times in history, 2.1 million years ago, 1.2 million years ago, and 640,000 years ago. Volcanoes typically blow when molten rock, known as magma, rises to the surface following the Earth's mantle melting due to tectonic plates shifting. However, geologists have revealed how Yellowstone's magma chamber, which sits on top of the magma plume, is slowly rising each year. Thus, why they are concerned about this 465-mile-long piece of molten rock there rising below Yellowstone. They do believe this is a quote-unquote sign. However, I need to say that there is no way to say, oh, it's 100% going to happen or not happen. In all honesty, it can happen without any signs or any kind of anything of that nature. And usually there are some kinds of signs. Now, are the scientists saying it's going to blow? No, they're not. They're just saying that it's something that needs to be watched. So this is not something we should, panic over, because in all honesty, I don't believe that the Lord is going to allow some kind of catastrophic event at that level until we hit the tribulation period. And we're not there yet, but something of this nature would literally wipe out billions upon billions of people. We're talking tribulation style butchery, if you will, via volcano. That's why I think there's not a whole lot to worry about. However, we do need to monitor it and pay attention when scientists are talking about things like what's going on at Yellowstone. But when we can consider with that, we've also had, I believe, around 100 earthquakes shake Alaska alone this year. That's just in 2019. And that's not normal. So we're already seeing an increase along that ring of fire. And then we have some movement at Yellowstone. So just wanted you to be aware and know what's going on there at Yellowstone as well. And just bring in some additional footage here on my backup channel. Anyhow, I love all you guys. If you have any questions or concerns, I'll leave both of the links in the description box below. Anyhow, I'm Lisa Haven, signing out.